Hello everyone, here's your weather hazard briefing for Monday, May 13th. We've got our next round of showers and thunderstorms arriving today, and some of that continues into tomorrow. Overall, some gusty winds. We might see some additional wind gusts within these thunderstorms around the next couple of days. And it'll be both rain and thunder, not really looking for any high elevation snow at all with this system coming through. Otherwise, it's back to high pressure for the middle and end part of this week. We'll be on the edge of the ridge, so some showers and thunderstorms will be skirting the divide along the Wyoming border as well. And some spots, the typical warmer spots, will be back up to near 80 through that particular period. On satellite, we do have northwest flow over us. We do have a little bit of moisture already moving into southwest Idaho or earlier on in the day, where some thunderstorms have already occurred, so we know the potential of thunderstorms will be there for today. And really not much in the way of any weather risks at all, any impacts, anything like that. Maybe some gusty winds and a brief downpour, but you see where we do have a few showers possible, generally again along the Continental Divide and along the Wyoming border for the end the week. So looking at how things are going to roll for today, we will continue just to watch some showers and thunderstorms generally moving in from the west. And those, again, we'll be talking about those starting early on this morning. We go through the rest of the day. You'll notice some showers increasing mid-morning. Later in the morning, late in the afternoon, that's our best chance of showers and thunderstorms. And some of those could be, like I said, have a little brief downpour with it. And then we kind of end things for the overnight hours. Still not necessarily particularly all dry across the area. And then another round of showers coming in from the north and west, and a few isolated thunderstorms expected for tomorrow afternoon. Going back to the rest of the forecast here, we do have some moisture expected. Most of it's going to be light, where we get some heavier downpours. I could see a couple of tenths of an inch for the throughout the day, and there'll be some gusty winds outside of thunderstorms. Some of those gusts topping 25 miles per hour, running to near 30 at times in a few spots. That's through this afternoon. And those highs today, it'll still be on the warmer side. Temperatures in the 60s to mid-70s over most areas outside of the mountains, where it'll be down up into the 50s for this afternoon. For tonight, we do have some lingering showers across the west. We also have some lingering winds, especially west of Pocatello, out across the Arco Desert into the Magic Valley, where some of those wind gusts, again, in excess of 30 miles per hour. And for tomorrow, again, showers and thunderstorms across the region. The strongest winds will be confined into the South Hills, the Albion Mountains, over into the Magic Valley, where some gusts 25 to 35 miles an hour are possible. The temperatures for tomorrow afternoon, we are on the cooler side behind a cold front. Just low 70s for the warm spots, otherwise 50s and 60s across the board. 40s up in the very highest of elevations for tomorrow afternoon, after starting off the day in the 30s and 40s across the area. Now we'll shift ahead to Wednesday. You'll start to see the warming trend return. Overnight lows in the 30s and 40s. Outside of the mountains, we'll be back up into the mid-70s in the warm spots. Going into Thursday, you'll see some 80s creeping up, especially once you get into portions of the Magic and Treasure Valleys, and even potentially down along the Utah border, and that trend continues into Friday. We might cool off a degree or two, but still fairly warm across the board. So once again, our next storm system arrives today and tomorrow. There'll be some gusty winds with a cold front, and also showers and thunderstorms. They may produce some additional wind gusts as well. Otherwise, high pressure mid to late week with some showers and thunderstorms generally along the divide and the Wyoming border, with warmer conditions returning to our area. Have a great Monday, and do stay safe out there, everyone.